Asbestos removal. Understanding the process. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the topic of asbestos removal. It's a term you might have heard in relation to building safety and health regulations. Understanding what it means is important, especially if you are involved in construction, building maintenance, or just curious about how older buildings are made safe. Let's explore what asbestos removal involves and why it's so crucial. Before we talk about removing it, let's understand what asbestos is. Asbestos is a group of natural mineral fibers that were commonly used in building materials for their strength and resistance to heat. However, it was found that these fibers can cause serious health issues, including lung diseases and cancer, when inhaled. It's important to know that asbestos is not dangerous if it's undisturbed and in good condition. The danger arises when these fibers are released into the air. Asbestos was widely used in buildings until the late 20th century. It can be found in insulation, floor tiles, roofing, and even in some decorative elements. Identifying asbestos in a building involves professional assessment. Specialists use visual inspections and lab tests to determine if asbestos is present and if it poses any risk. Once asbestos is identified and deemed hazardous, it's time for removal. This process is highly regulated for safety. Here are the key steps. 1. Preparation. The area is sealed off, and warning signs are posted. 2. Safety measures. Workers wear protective gear to prevent inhalation of fibers. 3. Removal. Specialized techniques are used to carefully remove the asbestos without releasing fibers. 4. Disposal. The asbestos material is securely bagged and disposed of in designated facilities. 5. Post-removal inspection. The area is thoroughly inspected to ensure all asbestos has been removed. Removing asbestos is not a DIY project. It requires trained professionals who understand how to handle the material safely. Improper removal can increase the risk of fiber release, endangering the health of anyone in the vicinity. Understanding asbestos removal is key to ensuring the safety of buildings and the people who use them. It's a process that combines expertise, safety, and regulation. I hope this video has helped you grasp the basics of asbestos removal. Remember, safety first. Stay informed and always rely on professionals for asbestos-related issues. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.